Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the weekly webinar. We are so excited to have you on board. Today's hot topic is ChatGPT. We have heard so much about it. There's so much buzz everywhere. AI and ChatGPT, what's it going to do next? Well, what we did was we've integrated right here into the vFairs system, and we have some extremely hot topics to discuss how you can use it for your upcoming events, how you can market it. And I won't give too much away, but we have our special guest today, Carlos, who's going to be walking us through what we have all to discuss today. Carlos, welcome aboard, man.
Hey, what's up? Nice seeing you again, man. How's everything?
Yeah, nice to see you too. Good to have you on board. How's Spain going?
Spain's great, man. The weather is changing. It's almost, well, it's summer already, but it
Mm.
is changing drastically. So guns out, like they say. And yeah, just trying to be, hydrated and safe. How about yourself?
Yeah, that's good, man. Well, over here in Canada, the weather is much better now. So yeah, we were just exploring the summer, enjoying it. Golf season is on here too. So yeah, people are just enjoying the summer.
All right, cool, man. Good to hear. I hope I could visit Toronto anytime soon. So I know that we're gonna see each other soon. So
Yeah,
good
yeah,
to,
I'm super
yeah,
excited about that.
yeah.
That should be great. Well, Carlos, tell us about like for the people joining in, what are we going to discuss today?
Sure. So definitely, what we're gonna do today is we're going to review our new Beavers AI assistant. We're gonna just basically run you through a short presentation just to give
Mhm.
you some highlights of what's inclusive in there. And of course, like Beaver style, we will definitely run a live demo of it, so you could actually see what's the real
Yeah,
value and how you could leverage the system when using Beavers for hosting your events.
that's
Awesome.
great.
So, all right. So should we start? Was yeah. Let's get started. All right.
Yep, I
So
think let's do it.
here we go. All right, perfect. All right, so a little bit about Beaver's AI assistant. This solution is basically built-in modules. So how will this will actually help event marketers and planners, right? First, it would generate ready-to-send content in just a few clicks. So saving time obviously, and also allowing you to brainstorm ideas with several content variations. As you're trying to produce and get some sort of keywords there implemented to get some content out there and help you through the entire setup. And of course, the really important thing about this is that Beavers has built this to be tailored to various marketing channels, right? Like the Beavers landing page, the web pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, and whatnot. And of course, we would like to easily highlight as well that this is also powered by OpenAI, right? So to explain a little bit more about what are some of the models, we do have the model where you could easily send email campaigns in just a matter of minutes. You will be able to fully customize these emails with all the necessary information. You will also have flexibility on editing the copy and then schedule it to send to your attendees and even through segmented users through the same system. By the way, everyone, if you have any questions regarding any of these features, feel free to drop them on the chat. We'll be happy to answer those as we go. And of course, you're going to see a full live presentation and live demo afterwards. All right. Now, moving on, we have the second module, which is the social media post, right? A lot of times companies will hire a copywriter, then the copywriter will have the social media specialist or the marketing specialist to do this. So we are actually helping some of those event organizers who don't have that sort of bandwidth to actually hire an extra hand of people, where they will be able to get professional social media content in a matter of minutes and complete it with hashtags, emojis. You will also have a really nice preview of how that post could actually look on any of the social channels, and of course you will be able to make those edits as well. um, Moving on, we also have the video scripts for event promos, right? This is going to be really helpful. Videos, you have the video editing, the post-production and everything. You will be able to ask our AI assistant to come up instantly with your video script by just providing some video topics and just a small brief about the event. So you will be able to actually save hours of effort by utilizing the AI assistant for video scripts. One other thing, oh, I wish, Wasif, I would have had this throughout my bachelor's degree studies and everything, because I think that I would love to see how college students are actually leveraging ChatGPT.
Yeah, that would be really cool. And some universities actually, are a bit worried because sometimes you write papers using ChatGPT.
Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, this is a really useful tool. Not saying that you should cheat, but this is really good, when it comes to our content. So let's review this one, right? Like compiling landing page copy effortlessly. So, landing pages basically will help you to attract the audience, to get people to register and so on. So it includes some extra work, not just from the designer standpoint, but also from the event marketer and the content writing and everything. So with ChatGPT, you will have the option in this case to save plenty of time by generating, for example, strong headlines, event descriptions, FAQs, and so on. And this is just because vFairs already has in the backend fed the information about the type of event that you're actually hosting, right? So if you're running a conference and it's a global summit, this information is already there. So when you're trying to produce that sort of content for the landing page, is going to be tailored to that. And I'm really excited to move on also in a few more minutes into the live demo, so you could actually see how fast and easy it is as well. Need speaker bios. We all have LEIs with multiple speakers, in different time zones where, they actually don't provide their information. Maybe they don't have the LinkedIn updated and so on. So this will actually be really helpful for you. You will just need the LinkedIn URL of the speaker. We're actually adapting and trying to figure out if there are some other channels where we could pull up this information, but at the moment it's just on LinkedIn. The Beavers AI assistant will basically help you polish a really nice bio for this speaker. Upon his approval, you could actually have it set it up right away in the same landing page, all right?
First, I'm just saying that you can simply add a LinkedIn URL and just generate the entire bio. Like it'll pick everything up.
Yeah, you will actually need to add just a few extra things, right? For example, Carlos will be presenting, right? Or key achievements of the session that this person is actually presenting to as well. So once you do that, it will combine the bio of the speaker along with the content that you mentioned that it's going to be the real value of the session, and it will generate a really nice description. But we will test it out and see what it comes. I will use your profile link, by the way, guys, so we can make it public. No, I'm just kidding. So get your pre and post event press releases out in minutes. We know that sometimes we get involved with other people to get press releases, approvals, etc. So this is actually going to also help you time, but it will also help you include quotes from specific people, right? Simply add this to the instructions on the AI assistant, and you will be able to generate those as well, as extensive as you want or as short as you want. Now, this is really important, right? Because during events, regardless if these are happening in person or through our mobile app by having surveys and polls, or if these are happening virtual, this will allow yourself to gain really valuable insights into the audience preferences, right? Feelings, reactions regarding the event. And of course, our polls and surveys can be used to collect data of the event. So this is going to be really valuable for you to measure the success of the event, the ROI, or the engagement at the end. Let's see. Well, I think, I just wanted to give a quick overview of this, but obviously we're going to jump into a live demo. I think it would make more sense for people to actually see how this looks in the vFairs platform. Yeah, let's do it. And feel free to add some suggestions as we're building this, also if we could be, partners when it comes to this setup and trying to ask, the AI assistant how to solve our days and problems while building an event. So what we're seeing here at the moment is the vFairs backend. This is just a small demo of a user conference / career fair. So there's going to be a module here called AI assistant. Here you will find the different types of choices, right? Now we will keep adding this into our roadmaps, to help even build more aspects or sections of any event. We're gonna have integrations with the mobile app too, based on information that we have in the mobile app. So far, this is adapted to the web platform and also to the mobile app entirely. But as features are coming up, we're also including them in the AI assistant. Now let's start quickly with notifications, right? Let's measure this as this is exactly let's say this is a virtual event, right? So let's imagine that this is going to be a live event notification, right? Let's see, let's keep it short, right? Let's just say, the event has started. Then we could put up some sort of urgency. Let's say available until 2 p.m. Let's say, let's make it that, and let's add a tone of voice. Let's make it curious. Let's make it a tone of voice curious. So automatically, ChatGPT will allow you to have, this option, and you will be able to generate this directly, right? So you would just simply set this up as, is this a notification, a reminder, or others? And you can simply generate the content, right? Really simple and easy. May take a few seconds. It will actually depend on the type of content. See, it was really fast. So here we have the title of the notification, your vFairs user conference is live. The description says, the vFairs user conference is now live. Join us to learn more about the latest innovations in sales, demos, and virtual job fairs. Join now. What do you think about that? Was it fast? Was it not fast? I think it was really fast.
Yeah, I think it was really fast, and I love the way that you can personalize it, that you can just, tell it what to do, and it just, spits stuff out for you.
Yeah. Let's check social media, right? Social media, really important for event organizers. Let's try to post, let's say, let's test this out with a pre-event section.
Okay.
Let's make it, I see you a lot on LinkedIn. Let's make it LinkedIn, right? Let's add keywords now. Let's add keywords. Let's say conference. What do you do at conferences? You network, right?
Yeah,
What else do you do? Sometimes
sessions. Yeah.
Since it's global, it's engaging, it's learning, it's develop. Anything else that you would like to add there, Wasif?
Agenda sessions, maybe.
Agenda sessions. I think that's good. Let's add emojis, right? What sort of emoji? Jesus Christ, my keyword doesn't have emojis, but these are the usual ones that I use. So let's just quickly add these. Okay, shining stars or whatever, however you call that. Let's set up a tone as, let's make it optimistic. This is a pre-event. We are really optimistic that this event is going to be a success. And let's add hashtags. Let's add 2023 conference. Let's add vFairs, of course.
Yeah.
Let's add make it happen. No, not like that. Make it happen. And yeah, I think this is more than enough. Let's see how the AI would actually generate this content for you. Like I was mentioning throughout the slide decks, we do have an option where you could see the preview here. So obviously, this is not going to be the real thing. It's just a really nice preview for you to actually realize how this would actually look. Of course, you can accommodate, spaces, lines, call to actions, URLs, and so on.
Yeah, and even emojis now. Like this is something really cool that you can add this, and I think it's really going to change the way that we present content now. Like make it colorful.
Yeah, in fact, yeah, even like when you have seen like the click rate of emojis have increased, the click rates or even ad campaigns perform the best when they have emojis inclusive, right? So let's quickly look at this short preview. I mean, it says, we're thrilled to announce that the sales demo conference taking place on December 31st, yada, yada, yada. This is a unique opportunity to network and learn with global professionals from the comfort of your home. That's really technical, right? I think I will never come up with that sort of text. Well, an agenda of sessions, that's your added value there, was it? And activities line up, giving you the chance to engage with the best and brightest in the industry, develop your skills, build your network, and make your mark at this one-of-a-kind event. Wow. I mean, this is really cool, right? I mean, this actually, I love this. I love this.
Yeah, and if you notice, like it actually picked up the event name, the time that we've already set it in a vFairs event, just picking up your content and mixing it up. So
yeah, exactly. It's already fed, in our system, so it's there, and it's really simple. So no need to have typos on the event times. Moving on, it's all set up. Let's see. Let's pick up email marketing. Let's pick up email marketing, right? That's probably one of the most. Let's make it post event, right? Let's say and let's say I want to share this with people who missed the event, right? So let's keep it short. Let's say that we are sorry we missed you at the conference, comma. here is the replay of sessions. That's how you call it, replay.
Yeah, replay, highlights.
Highlights. All right, let's make it highlights too. And oops, let's make it highlights as well. Let's see. I think that's it. Let's make it available until July. Just to let's see, let's test it out, right? Let's see what it
Yeah.
actually does. Let's see. Highlight benefits. Okay. Review, recap, learn,
Yeah, keynote.
and keynote, right? You said keynote?
Yeah, I think so. Like,
Keynote.
just flag something that was important.
And tone of voice, let's make it encouraging tone of voice, right? Let's see how this looks. And all right, let's generate it. Let's see what happens, right? So this is email marketing. Of course, this can be fed on the same email marketing module within the vFairs platform. So you'll be able to actually, simply copy and paste that, and also add the tags that we have, first name, last name, and so on, job title, etc. Let's see
Yeah,
how
and I
it
think
goes.
what's nice is that you can just, you don't have to think about writing emails anymore. You just type it in and it just, just generating that. So maybe it could have like a sequence of our emails already ready for pre-events, during event, post-event.
Yeah. Actually, you even have like thank you. So, all right. So it produces even the subject line, right? We missed you at the sales demo conference. We hope you had an amazing weekend, and we're sorry we missed you at the virtual sales demo. It was a great event filled with inspiring keynote speakers, formative sessions, and plenty of networking opportunities. We know that your time is valuable, and we thank you for considering attending. Wow, this is actually
That's
really
encouraging right there.
yeah, that's the encouraging part. We wanted to make sure you didn't miss out any of the great content, so we put together a replay of sessions. I mean, thank you for your time and consideration. We hope to see you at our next event. Well, this is time saving, definitely. Like, this is definitely time saving.
Definitely.
Let's go. Let's test this out even further, right? Let's go to landing page, right? Landing page is a lot of things, right? You have headers, you have speaker info, you have FAQ. So let's try to make it a full landing page. Obviously, we're not going to spend 30 minutes just texting and trying to put things here, but let's see. Let's add keywords for this, right? All right, Wasif, I'm all ears. Let's start. Give me info, man.
So let's say sessions, sponsors, then speakers, FAQ, and registration.
FAQ.
And anyone in the audience, if you'd like to jump in, we'd love to hear your additions too.
FAQ. Let's make it yearly. Let's say if you're encouraging to have sponsors, let's make it to 20,000 attendees. Sales opportunities, what we all love. Let's see what else. Offer discounts. Let's make it early bird. That was a term. Let's make it 20% off. 20% off, right? That's a good tip.
Yeah.
And group discounts.
Yeah, and we could add so we got a comment from Mark. So add a CDA. So we could say book now or book save your seat.
Book now. Yeah, I like save your seat. Okay, and tone of voice. What tone of voice? Let's make it assertive, right? Like this is the one. All right, let's see what magic happens. Now I'm actually worried of what's going on.
Yeah, like we're building a whole landing page on this.
If my computer will collapse at all, let's see. Let's see. Come on, AI assistant.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like we're getting AI to do our stuff.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I wish I had a clock to return time and go back. I won't say college, right? College, you actually need to love what you're gonna study and you're gonna do it.
I know.
But school, it could be really useful.
Like you could be like on the top of your class, with all the
time traveler. I'm a time traveler.
Oh wow,
all right.
it's generating all of it.
All right. It generates headline. Explore the latest in sales and network with thousands of attendees. Register now. There's a call to action. Event description. Discover the latest in sales and learn from the industry experts. Connect with thousands of attendees. It's great. Learn from industry experts. Connect with thousands. Mina, early bird discounts. Take advantage of our early bird discounts and save your seat today. Mina,
Beautiful.
good. And the FAQs, what it is, where and where, what I will learn, what will be the outcome, who will be speaking. Awesome. I think this is really valuable.
Like the more you add to it, the better content it generates. So this was, just off the top of our head. Like, but if you add content, it's beautiful.
Sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that anyone who is in the audience, if you like to actually get hands-on on this, contact us. We'll be more than happy to copy paste 1,000 keywords and see what will be the outcome of it. I think we can easily go to one more, right? Let's make it. Let's see, speaker bio, right? Let's list this out. Let's see how a speaker bio would look like.
That's it.
I get copy paste your LinkedIn URL, was it? Nah, man, I'm just kidding. I just gonna do mine. Okay, add e-message. All right, let's say Carlos will be presenting, right? Let's make it simple. Key achievements. All right. Learn more about event management and the solutions that vFairs offers with the new AI assistant. Let's test it out. And what I miss in topics. Let's keep it simple and consistent. This is a conference. Let's make it events and conferences. And let's make it. I don't know, mobile app. Right. Let's throw in that. Let's see how it would work right now. Now I'm actually worried of what I have actually posted on LinkedIn that it may show here. Should have picked someone from the audience, right?
I know.
who dares to share their LinkedIn profile, please? Who dares? No, I'm not gonna name anyone. If feel free to
can share
it. Mark Hernandez, where are you connecting, Mark? Pretty sure Canada. Okay,
Mark's in Canada.
Yeah, pretty sure he has a really fancy LinkedIn profile. I actually pasted there, Mark. I may copy paste yours in mine. All right, so apparently I am no one, was it? Like actually is having extra time. Oh, here are you.
There you go. Meet Carlos H, sales manager.
Jesus Christ. I'm based in Spain. Carlos comes with an extensive experience of event management industry. He has a master and MBA. Oh, you see, I achieved an MBA without ChatGPT.
He got an MBA.
Yeah. There you go. Carlos will be presenting at the upcoming on event management and the solutions that vFairs offers. The new AI assistant. Here's an expert on topics such as events, conferences, and this is great. With his extensive experience, this actually makes me look good in front of everyone. So yeah, I think that's great. I think that there's also like an extra option. Carlos is cooler than you think. Yeah. Now I'm blushing. Okay, and now let's see playground, right? What is playground? Let's test it out, Wasa. Yeah. Let's see. I guess this is just ask me anything, right? Let's say, how can I generate over $50,000 in sales with my virtual event? Let's ask them, right? Let's see.
But this is open, just right there.
Should I put 500? I'm okay, guys. 50,000 is fine. I think 50,000 is a great.
$500,000, even better.
No, you won't see me here if it's 500,000. I'm okay with 50,000. I'll buy a Prius and I will actually book some time off.
Carlos is planning already.
Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Make your own case with vFairs AI assistant. I wonder how complex this could be. We kept it simple, so probably generating multiple ideas. All right, so it's giving
Okay.
you actually a marketing plan. Develop and execute an effective marketing and advertising campaign.
Like
Oh,
step by
all right.
step.
Offer incentives to customers to purchase tickets. Create engaging and interactive event experiences.
Yeah,
Leverage your
definitely
network
it's
of
going, man.
contacts. Considering offering multiple ticket and registration packages to appeal to different budgets and interests. Utilize webinars. Provide high quality customer service. Of course, that's our main
Yeah,
core of our
USB.
product. Partner with other organizations and businesses to develop strategic partnerships. I mean, this is amazing, right?
Yeah.
At one
Yeah.
point, you could ask us, like, how you could actually build this out and make it successful, which is super great.
Yeah.
So I think we could easily, let's wrap it up. I think, we like I mentioned, during the beginning of the webinar, we're gonna keep adding more modules here. So probably we're gonna have a second webinar part 2 on the AI assistant. But this has been really great. What are your thoughts, Wasser?
Yeah, I think this was great, and thanks for showing an overview, Carlos. So just to recap, we looked at landing pages, setting up notifications, even creating like a whole playground, speaker bio. So there's a lot that you can do. You can set it up all in your event, and no coding, no technology, just simple, just add your data, and that's it. We generate it all for you. Yeah, I think
Love
that
it.
was really cool. What did you think,
Yeah.
Carlos?
Yeah, I think it's really great. In fact, there are some modules that I wasn't even like informed that there are. So I'm gonna be, poking around with those and playing around the next few hours. But yeah, I mean, everyone who joined this webinar, please, feel free to reach back to us in case you would like to have a live demo of this and get your hands on the product and see how the AI assistant could actually enhance your events. Also, if you're already a vFairs customer or user, talk to your customer success management team. They will be more than happy to walk you through this new enhancement. I think it's really valuable. It's going to save you time, and obviously it's going to also generate more revenue for you guys. Let's see, Mark has a question. Do we also get the vFairs caps at Carlos' website? You know what? A lot of people have been asking me, like, where are you getting those? I mean, it's a secret for the next one, Mark. You'll need to join, and I will actually make it just a slide on the next presentation about the caps and the mystery. All right, how do we order that on AI? Automated ad ordering. All right, cool. Yeah, so everyone, I appreciate your time today. I hope it was really good for you guys to learn a little bit about what we're doing here at vFairs. We keep trying to enhance the product and making your lives easier as well. So thank you for joining. Right, thank you, Mark, for all the funny comments. We really appreciate you. And thanks, Wasif, for helping me out on this one.
Absolutely. Thanks, Carlos. Thanks, everyone, for joining today. We'll see you in the next one. This is a weekly webinar, so see you at the same time next week. Thanks. Bye.
All right, stay strong, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.